Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to upgrade on Delta Airline. Right, so how you can just get this upgrade. So to do this you have to follow this instruction. First of all, join the Sky Miles program, right, and sign up if you haven't already joined Delta Sky Miles program. If you're not able to find it, as you can see here in the website, this is Sky Miles. Just once you take your mouse there, just go and click on join Sky Miles. And if you just give you free access to benefits like upgrades, right, and Sky Miles is really useful. Now the second thing is that know your medallion status. Check your status if you have a medallion member, for example silver, gold, platinum or diamond. You can get complimentary upgrades on eligible flights. The third thing, that is book your flight. Go to the Delta website or the app and look for the flight here, that whichever flight you want to desire, right? When booking, look for the fare class that are eligible for upgrades. Now request an upgrade. During booking, when you book your flight, you may see an option to request an upgrade. See if it is you want any upgrade. Right, so this is how you can do this. To book it, you have to just go on the top right, just go and click on login, enter your email and the password here, right, username or the password, and you will be inside your Delta account, right? And this is how you can do it, and I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.